Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you two houses that I'm looking at buying. I need your help. Which one should I buy? I'm looking to buy one of these houses for the real estate versus dividend challenge, which means I can't put any more money out. I have to use the money that I have in equity in the real estate house that I already have in that challenge. So I need your help in determining which one of these to buy. Let's take a look. So this is the first one of the two. This house will be about $40,000 by the time I get it. It will be remodeled a little bit too, so we're getting kind of a before sneak peek of it. All the walls will be painted, floors will be sanded and done where they needed to be. The bathroom floor back here will be replaced. This is the first bedroom. This bathroom floor will be remodeled. It needs to be replaced. Plywood needs to be pulled up and taken up. It's wet. Another story for another day with tenants and showers. This is the second bedroom. It kind of is an awkward bedroom. That drywall needs to be replaced, but it could be a 2-bedroom or it could be a 1-bedroom because you kind of have to walk through that room to get to the bathroom. Outside here is a little shed, a lean-to. It's kind of built on. Could be a nice porch, but it looks like it's all closed off. The kitchen had a washer and dryer unit in it, small. And then there's this little porch type room as well that you could probably do something out here. Here's the other house. So I've been talking to the bank on this one for about 30, 40 days. There was somebody living in here. They had to evict them out. The previous owner either passed away or something happened. They were delinquent. The bank took it back over. So I've been working with them for a minute to try to see if I was interested in it or not. So this is my first exposure to it. And as part of my first exposure, they asked me to kind of change the locks if I didn't mind changing the locks for them. So I came over when the windows was unlocked. I was able to get through the window, change the lock for the bank. And on a good note, just I always like to see it. The neighbor actually came over and was like, "What are you doing?" And I had to explain to him. So that made me feel good that the neighbors look out for each other. Pile of junk, including a piano, but like that flat roof or whatever was going on with that roof with all that flashing, that's got me a little concerned. But I didn't see any leak signs on the inside. We'll get in that here in a second. This is the front room. That's the window I had to come through. It was unlocked. I did make sure I locked all the windows afterwards, obviously, but I would be responsible for everything here. And we're looking for probably $25,000 in, and we're probably looking at $15,000 in getting kind of everything up and going. And there's a couple, holes in the wall, a lot of trash. I'm looking at probably a dumpster anyway, at least one. This is also kind of a 1-bedroom, maybe 2-bedroom. We'll kind of get through it here. This is the first bedroom we're walking through. This looked like it might have been a bedroom, but it connects to the kitchen, and this is the only way to get to the bathroom. So this would be pretty public bedroom, kind of like that other house. So they both kind of have something negative about where the bathroom placement is. I don't know why they have a gas can in the bathroom. Again, this is kind of my raw first look, complete with the fly paper. You could make this a bedroom. You'd have to close it off, but people would have to come through to go to the bathroom. Here's the kitchen, and that's pretty much the house. So that's both properties. Let me know what you think. Comment down below. I would love to get your feedback so I can continue to make this challenge interesting. Remember, the goal of this challenge is really just to show you how you can make money through real estate and also dividend challenges. Thanks for your support. Check out our Facebook page if you haven't yet. Comment down below, like and subscribe, share this out. Stick around. We're going to do great things.